أهلا بكم وشكرا لمشاهدة قناتي Oilycom TV.
Hey everyone! Today I'm making a dish that's hard to find in the Arab world. It's spicy chicken feet with lots of melted cheese. Stress be gone. First we have to prep the chicken feet. Cutting off the claws. Ugh, my least favourite part. Snipping each claw one by one really makes you question life. And don't forget to peel the skin. Texture matters, folks. Now boil them for about 15 minutes to get rid of the smell and gunk. Once they're boiled, wash them one by one thoroughly. Check for leftover skin or anything nasty and remove it. Now it's time to stir fry. Start with a generous splash of chili oil. Add sesame oil and, of course, lots of garlic. Next, the magical spicy chicken feet sauce. And lots of green onions. Give it a good mix so it doesn't burn. Now toss in some extra chili powder. Let's spice it up. Almost done. Let's quickly whip up some rice balls too. And the grand finale, load it up with cheese. Pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's done. Shall we dig in? Wow, this looks amazing. One bite and bam! I'm back in Korea. Sweat's dripping, but stress is disappearing. I legit ate the whole thing in one sitting. Haha. What should I eat next time? See you in the next video.
شكرا مرة أخرى لمشاهدة فيديوهاتي. إذا أعجبكم المحتوى أرجو الاشتراك بالقناة وضغط زر الإعجاب.